Did he say pull?
Yeah, he said pull.
Oh, he's pulling it.
Are you videoing it?
Yeah.
The guy that's in the Bobcat, he's the one who yelled earlier, "Ow, my effing nuts!"
Oh, it's shaking.
Oh, jeez. This is kind of. Gosh, this window's disgusting.
Shh.
What?
I'm recording it.
Oh. Like when you recorded the Dingleberry this morning?
The other guy's gonna try now.
Yeah, he's like, get out. Holy.
Hey!
Ah!
They broke the rope!
No, he's telling him to back up.
Oh.
Pull it.
Man, you can sit down. Well, the window's really dirty with dog.
I think he's talking.
Nose art.
Is he talking to us to
I
back
don't know,
away?
He looked at me and
He's
said
talking
back
to
up.
him to back up.
Oh. I'm confused now.
Yeah, I wonder if we should get out of here.
They retied the rope. Is it going down? Is he gonna yell timber? We better move.
Oh, gee. It's going down.
It's moving.
It's going, it's going.
Uh-huh.
Oh, the rope is getting tighter.
It's coming back.
What did they, is that what they said? Look, that rope look like it's gonna break.
It actually might come back this way.
What if the rope whips back and smashes
the
the window?
Is at the top? Where you at it?
Oh, gee, it's gonna miss and
It's
snap.
gonna snap.
Ooh, ooh.
Run.
Yes.
It's going.
Woo!
Woohoo!
Look at that.
That's a clean.
That is
Oh my gosh,
amazing.
it almost hit the garage.
It almost did. Like it almost rolled and hit
Wait,
it.
did it? It did!
It did
Oh
hit the
gosh.
garage. It did.
Part of it- Wait a minute.
Yeah, the wood splintered in the corner of it.
That's not
Or
bad
that's
though.
a tool. That's a tool.
Oh, that would have been hilarious.
Garage.
Hey.